Hey, how you doing? Scott here from Out and About. Just checking out the Prehistoric Trackways National Monument in Las Cruces. Big thank you to all the new subscribers, all the continuing subscribers. There's some cool links in the description if you want to check those out. Let's see what we can find. There's not going to be a lot of commentary on this video. We have like 30-mile-an-hour sustained winds today, so mostly just videos and pictures. I hope you enjoy. Well, I just kind of wanted to say that that national monument, in my opinion, was a little bit underwhelming. There was a lack of information, a lack of signs. When I think what it boiled down to is like you're basically like hiking around an old mine. There might have been some prehistoric footprints, but they were very well hidden and not marked. I assume so there's no vandalism and that kind of thing, but I mean, I don't know. It's open to interpretation. I just wanted to share my opinion. thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you found some value here, and you get a chance to check this cool place out. Thanks so much.